Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to update the upload defaults on your YouTube account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for YouTube, and we will be uploading 2 videos one after the other to see the changes being made in real time. We cannot start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to YouTube Studio. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Content. Go to Create. Upload videos. Upload the first video. Select File. Click on video 1, upload, and let's now navigate to description. We can see Computer Science Videos 2024, which needs to be changed to 2025 as we are now in the year 2025. Let's go to show more, scroll to tags. Computer Science 2024 also needs to be changed to 2025, so we can now click the X to have the video saved as part of a draft. So we can now go to the bottom left corner, click on settings, go to upload defaults, go within description, scroll to the bottom, change that from 2024 to 2025. Let's go to the tags. Computer Science 2024 needs to change to Computer Science 2025. Enter, click on save, and now what we will do is go to create, upload videos, select files, click on video 2, enter to upload, and now if we navigate to description, we should see the changes that have been made in real time. Computer Science Videos 2025, scroll to the bottom, show more again, and here we have the tag Computer Science 2025. We can now click on the X to have the video saved as a draft again. We can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.